Hello, my name is James Neathery. Welcome to the Banking with Life Q&A series. This is where I answer questions that you have concerning the infinite banking concept. So let's get started. Okay, this question is, when borrowing, what is the rate I pay to the insurance company and what fees are owed to them when I take a loan? The rate that you pay the insurance company varies by insurance company. One insurance company can charge 5, another insurance company can charge 7, 8, or 9. It's all stated within your policies from whatever company you're looking at. Some companies are fixed rate. Some companies are variable rate, loan rates, right? So there's a fixed loan rate or a variable loan rate, but you can bet you're being charged interest on an outstanding loan. This question, when paying back a loan, do I pay the loan as well as the monthly contributions? A premium to a life insurance company, when you put money into a life insurance policy, it is either a premium or a loan repayment. It is not an investment and it is not a contribution. Investments are made to investments. Contributions are made to qualified plans or charitable organizations. Money to a life insurance company is a premium. So when paying back a loan, do I pay the loan as well as the monthly premium, or would premiums be apart from paying back the loan? There's a premium, and if you have a loan and you restructure or you structure that loan with a loan repayment, there's a premium and a loan repayment. This question is, how well protected is a policy from economic turmoil and lawsuits? That's a compound question, right? So life insurance companies are regulated by states. Every state has determined whether life insurance is a protected asset from lawsuits. It varies from every state what that limit is, if there is a limit. So can they be protected from lawsuits? Yes, they can. How protected is your policy from economic turmoil? It depends on how much turmoil there is. But if you look, I get it often a lot. Well, what if there's a market meltdown, or what if there's a currency reset? Well, if the market melts down, the market melts down. You cannot control that. But with the infinite banking concept, legitimately structured policies, you have access to a lot of cash value. So what are you going to do with that cash value? I don't know. I mean, if I thought there was going to be an economic turndown, depending on how bad it was, I might be buying whiskey, tobacco, water filters, real assets, precious metals, whatever. So if you're going to put substantial premiums, and if it's your money, I would think it's substantial. But if you're going to pay premium to a life insurance company, you want that life insurance company to be very old, very highly rated, and very stable. No games on their financials, their balance sheets. And if the dollar, we're in the United States, if the currency is revalued, every asset that you own is going to be revalued in the new currency. All right. So if you have $100,000 in real estate and the currency collapses and it's replaced, well, your real estate is going to be revalued in that new currency. So asset to asset, I want real assets, and I like to have access to that capital. So I'm personally okay with high cash value life insurance. And I can't control the economy. I can't control anything. I can only control what I do or what I don't do. And me included, we can all use additional discipline. Hey, James, been following you for a while. Thank you. I believe all of your education. Thank you again. Is there living benefits with a whole life policy? I know certain IULs, Indexed Universal Life is what he's referencing, will allow you to advance up to 80% of your death benefits in the event of chronic illness, chronic injury, or terminal illness. So you've been talking to a life insurance agent, right? And rightly so. Those additional benefits are available with most companies on most of their products. Whatever, if it's 80% liquid, I mean, those are riders to life insurance policies. And the short answer is yes, additional benefits can be placed on whole life policies. They vary from company to company and state to state. So whatever state you're in, just speak with someone who's educated and qualified to, help you make the correct decision. All right. This question is, how long does it take to get set up? I believe you said it varies roughly 45 to 60 days. Is that correct? And if I said 45 to 60 days, that would be from start to finish in underwriting. If you're you've got to qualify for life insurance. You have to make an application to the life insurance company. There's health questions, there's medical underwriting, financial underwriting. They're fully underwritten. So that process, if you decide I want to do this, I want to dip my toes in whatever level, if you want to become your own banker using the infinite banking concept, then you have to have a life insurance policy. So the timeline that he referenced, 45 to 60 days, would be about the timeline it takes to go through underwriting. You need to be educated to the point where, you can make a good decision or feel good about, what you're doing before you go into underwriting, is all I'm saying. Thank you for watching. If you have a question that you would like an answer to, email us at the email below, and be sure also to like and subscribe and join us weekly for content. Have a great day.